Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your dimension setting for building drawing and actually dimension it. So the first step here is to type D to activate dimension setting. Next step is to click standard. Then create new or modify. The first thing you want to change is on the line. Well, you must change these 5 things. You must change on the line, extend beyond dimension line. Let this be 100. Offset from origin, 300. So these are the only 2 things that we change here. Under symbols and arrows, for building drawing, click drop down, go to architectural tick. For arrow size, change arrow size to between 120 to 150. Next, go across to text. Change your text height to 150. Next, go across to primary unit. From primary units, click precision drop down. Set that to 0. You should see a image, a graphic display here. This graphic display shows exactly how your dimension setting should look. If you're satisfied, press OK. Once you have done that, set it current, then close. The next step is to start the dimensioning process. First step is to go to annotate. Left click annotate, then click linear. Oh, before that, we will need to change our dimension layer. For examination purpose, you don't necessarily need to add a new layer for dimension. You could use the same layer for dimension, just for examination purpose. Once you have done that, click annotate. Go up to linear, start dimension. Left click here, left click there, then drag up for the first one. Next step is to click continuous, then click from in to in, enter, escape. Now start on this side, click linear, first, Then click continuous. Click on into in diamond, into in walls. Escape. You could delete the wall thickness if you wish, or you could let them stay. That is basically how you would set up and add your dimension to your building drawing. Thank you for watching, guys. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to add text to the drawing.